Hey Explorers, I'm Jessica.
And I'm Robert.
And today on Exploring the Local Life, we're going to take you on an RV tour of the
Jayco 28.5 RSTS 2019 Fifth Wheel.
2019 version. That's a mouthful, right guys? But come along with us. Hey, I'm just chilling inside the Jayco Eagle Fifth Wheel. It's pretty nice. They have some of the darker elements, but they did think to add some white in here, guys. So it's not just all bunch of brown wood. So I'm just going to go the other way. Got a kitchen island, some nice antique white finishes.
They brought Ellen along?
That's right, we've got Ellen on TV. We've got a nice fire. What?
Robert.
And we have Robert sitting all by himself. Look at all this room. He's way over there. I'm way over here.
Feeling pretty serene in here.
It is. Kids are with Grandma, so we get to have a little bit of quiet time as I sneeze.
Better than the brochure.
Oh, look at this, man.
Hey,
this is
Jessica,
pretty
say
fancy.
Hey. This is very nice.
This is pretty.
This is quite house-like.
Alright, I'm gonna take you into the master, which is brown, but it has this like oldish finish on it. You can see my pants. Hey!
Hey, baby.
Hi. And there's two entrances to the bathroom. Look, he keeps finding me everywhere. Come find me! He found me.
Open here.
Open here. Just kidding. They have it locked up for the RV show. Nice shower. Oh, okay. Robert figured it out.
I didn't want to break it.
He didn't want to break it, so. Nice.
Here's the
little
magnet,
storage.
but they have the open here.
And is that door open as well?
Yeah, that's the door I came in through. Look, they have the.
Oh my gosh! Look, they actually thought to put a toilet paper roll. I don't know why. Most RVs don't have any.
Pretend you don't poop.
I know, right? But we all do.
Yep, very nice.
Very nice. I kept thinking that pillow was a cat.
I know, it does look like a cat.
It's not a cat. It's just a pillow.
Looks like a cat.
Looks like a cat.
Big
All
bed.
right. Yeah, big bed. Does it let any light in? Not really.
Well, you know, you don't want your bedroom cooking in the winter or summer. Well, I think. Empty weight is 8,900 pounds.
Okay. Oh. What you got under there? Big storage. Where are the propane tanks? Did I miss that? Does it go there?
I believe typically, yeah, maybe.
Can I actually do anything in this outdoor kitchen? I can with I need a step stool to operate the grill.
That's pretty cool.
It is. Storage that no one can reach.
Yeah, have to have a hook.
And our beer and wine fridge. It's cute.
Is that what you're looking for?
Well, look at online to look like very homey and it delivers. I mean, it's really sophisticated on the inside.
And every time we're at an RV park, we're like, oh, there's another Jayco Eagle. What's going on in there? Why do so many people have them?
So this fifth wheel is 33 feet overall, and it comes standard in a 30 amp form with one air conditioner.
Now you can upgrade that for, what was that, $1,200?
Yeah, about $1,200.
To get the 2 AC units, which, like Robert was saying, in the summer in Florida, you'd want, and then you'd move up to a 50 amp. So
yeah. So once you get up to the 2 air conditioning unit, it is a 50 amp upgrade. That's altogether about $1,200 based on the list price on the Jayco site.
Now the freshwater tank capacity is 43 gallons, and then the gray tank and the black tank each are 32.5 gallons. We're giving you this information. You may be watching this as a new RV owner and be like, I don't care. If you ever plan to be somewhere where you are camping without any sewer, or if at some point you decide to do some dry camping or boondocking, these are numbers that you're going to need to know, because you need to know how much fresh water you can have. And then
you'll be doing a lot of water conservation, but in the end you need to not have too much fresh water that your gray and black tank cannot hold.
Yeah.
Alright, so hopefully that video gave you some good information to at least start investigating this Jayco.
Make sure if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And don't forget to hit the like button.
Subscribe and hit the bell.
Ding, 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 ding. See you guys.
Bye. Hey Explorers, this is Robert.
And this is Jessica.
With Exploring the Local Life. And today on Exploring the Local Life, we are doing a tour.
Yeah, we're doing it of the Jayco 28.5 RST Fifth Wheel.
RSTS Fifth Wheel.
What did I say? RSPCT.
You said
Fifth
RST.
Wheel? All right, let's start it again, because I think I was also going like this when you
worries.
started talking.